So if you find any of these videos appearing on the home page of your YouTube channel, this is the right video for you, because this video gives you a complete guidance on how to stop this. So go to any web browser and then you log into a YouTube Studio. Yes, don't use the YouTube Studio app. This is the YouTube Studio app, don't use it. So you go to any browser, it could be Google Chrome or Safari. So let me use my Safari. So you log in into your YouTube Studio. So from here you click on this. So when you click on this, you go to channel trailer. You locate this channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. So you click on add. So you click on add, then you add any video you've uploaded. So try and add any video you've uploaded. So this. So after adding this, I think the problem will terminate. That is it. So just go to this feature, that is customization, and then you add a channel trailer. So after adding a channel trailer, go back to your YouTube channel and check if it is still the problem is still existing. If it is still existing, you can drop a comment on this video, and if it has worked, make sure you give us a thumbs up and then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.